Hi, my name is Alex Bruner from FEMA. FEMA is a close partner with the Centers for Disease Control, also known as the CDC. This collaborative video is about receiving dialysis during an emergency. If you are receiving dialysis, we know how important it is to have power for your treatments. In a disaster, if your power goes out, your dialysis machine will stop working. Roads to the nearest dialysis center or hospital may be blocked due to flooding or fallen trees or power lines. It is important to have an emergency plan in case this happens. These safety tips can help you continue to get the treatment you need. Pack an emergency kit with your doctor's contact information as well as another dialysis center near you. Include a list of medications you take and at least a 3-day supply. Make sure your dialysis center has your phone number and address in case they need to contact you. Before a disaster hits, make sure your phone and other mobile devices stay fully charged. Become familiar with a 3-day emergency diet that could help save your life. You can find more information at cdc.gov. If you need to evacuate to a shelter during a disaster, make sure you tell the shelter what your medical needs are so they can better support you or refer you to a medical shelter near you. If you haven't done so yet, it is important that you contact your water and power companies as soon as possible and register for special priority in restoring your service as quickly as possible after a disaster. Be informed now. Don't wait until a disaster strikes. Call the Kidney Community Emergency Response Hotline at 866-901-3773 if you are having difficulty contacting your dialysis clinic. For help finding resources, contact the National Kidney Foundation Care's Patient Information Center at 855-653-2273. For more information about how to prepare for an emergency or for help finding resources, visit their website at kidney.org/help or visit the Kidney Community Emergency Response Program website at www.kcercoalition.com.